Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's coffee time. Time to make some coffee. I use the filtered water from the refrigerator. Our favorite coffee is Caribou. It's from a shop up in Minnesota. Trick is to do this without spilling. Caribou Coffee, found up in north in Minnesota particular. Oh no, we're out of coffee. Oh no. Well, I guess we'll have to go get some more. Okay, so after a quick and long 24-hour drive, the coffee dilemma has been solved. We've picked up 8 pounds of our Mocha Java coffee from Caribou. Way to go, Caribou, coming through. Long drive, but well worth it. Caribou Coffee. All right, so now the best part of waking up is coffee in your cup. Coffee's all done. Woo. Good stuff. Good stuff. Caribou Coffee.